na, ano panunugok niyo sinanan. Ano na siya ng pagkain. Tinulang na bonito.
Sinigang na bonito.
Oh, sinigang gali. Oh, si Muy.
Water.
Oh. Muy, what are you drinking?
Water. What is this? Say water first. Water. Say water first. What is this? What is this?
Yata siya kay mama na siya. What's that, Muy?
What's this? What is this? Water. What is this?
Take this one, nuts.
What's that? Water. Say water first. Water.
Okay, give. Ito kaagilunod siya. Sinigang na daan nga bonito. Isudan aslum kayo. Banat na sa kao. What's it?
Tatay, water. Tell tatay you drink water. Water. See it? See it? Hi, water. You want to drink water? Tell
Say
him.
hi to tatay. Call tatay. Muy?
Drink water, tatay.
Muy? Call tatay.
What's that? What is
Kiss
this?
kay tatay, B. Kiss kay tatay. Huwag kay tatay. Kasi babay na kay tatay. Bye, tatay. Can you tell tatay, I know how to say water?
Water.
Say water.
Say water first.
Ano sudan ni Muy? Bonito. Bonito. Say hi kay tatay, okay. Say hi, tatay. Say hi. Hi. Give tatay flying kiss. Ay, aba.
Tatay ba?
O, call tatay. Tatay.
Hello, tatay.
Kiss kay tatay. Kiss kay tatay. Kiss.
Look it.
Kiss na, kiss na. Ang tatay. Tulog si tatay na ton, tulog, okay? Gabi ka namin si Anang. Te, namin sa sudan namon. Di pa malhas na si Muy.